Hi everybody, this is Mike from my backyard garden. The video that you're seeing right now are images of my front yard garden. But the overall video today is about the progress of my backyard garden from month 1 through month 4. Please enjoy as the garden grows and matures. Thanks for stopping by. Please hit the like button if you care, and subscribe if you haven't already. It's really helpful and beneficial to the channel. Have a great day, guys. Hello YouTubers, my name is Mike and this is my backyard garden. I will be posting videos from time to time showing you my different gardening techniques, from ebb and flow hydroponics to container-based planting to backyard beautification and maintenance. I look forward to sharing these with you on this journey this growing season. Thank you for watching. Hello YouTubers, my name is Mike and I want to welcome you to my backyard garden. Today is a 30-day update to when I started putting the plants in these fabric bags and on my hydroponic flood and drain system I'll show you in just a moment. This is the big of the beefsteak tomato plants. I've cloned it. I've got 2 clones going in different buckets. I'm ready to put them into their permanent grow space in just another day or two. These are the same beefsteak strain tomatoes. These came from the same package of seeds. This one's done very well. Over here is why I've cloned it. My radishes, little tiny Italian parsley still trying to come up. Got beans, green beans, and that's one of the clones I took from the beefsteak tomato. Cucumbers, more beans, yellow squash, and the other clone there. Tiny jalapeno peppers. If you saw my other video when I was feeding the seedlings, these are the ones that got drowned out. They're doing fine. They came back nice. They're fine. They can take a lot of abuse, but just they can't take the uprooting. This is cucumbers being grown with organic mix I'm using with used aquarium water and guinea pig manure. These are cherry type called jelly bean tomatoes. I am also fertilizing these with the organic solution I just mentioned, as are these tomatoes being fertilized with organic solution. The big guys being done with chemical nutrients, as well as the rest of the garden over here. Okay, got the squash going on. See all the squash, baby squash starting to come on in there. Harvested some green beans for dinner a few days ago. Very delicious. Got more flowers and leaves coming on. Got some cucumbers happening on the cucumber vine. Seeing decent one there. One down there, dang, there's lots of flowers and blooms. Clone from the big tomato plant's doing well. Harvested a tomato yesterday. You can see they're getting big and red. It was 10.1 ounces, the big one. I took off this one yesterday. More beefsteak tomatoes getting ripe, doing well. These are the seedlings that I raised or germinated in the egg carton container. Lots of flowers, some fruits going on. This is the clone from the hydroponic table tomato plant. It's got a lot of flowers on it. Tiny parsley, taking its time and coming along. Got some blooms on our banana peppers, yellow banana peppers. It's been warm and the petunias don't like it, so they've kind of been receding the last few days. It's been in the mid-90s. On this table, parsley, basil, tons of jalapeno peppers. There's just a lot that look just like that in there, dozens. cherry tomato plant, jelly bean cherry tomato plant. It's going crazy. There's fruits everywhere on it. Everywhere. Beefsteak tomatoes. Going crazy. Everything's going well. Tell him, Bart. Let's see. Huh? What are you seeing there? The remaining pictures you'll see in the video are of harvest videos, harvest pictures that we made throughout the 4 months growing season. And at the end, you'll see some fried green tomato images that we made with our green tomatoes. Our 11-ounce tomato there are our biggest of the beefsteaks. And here are the fried green tomato slices, followed by the finished product. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Thanks, bye.